izuba koti y'amahe irukozesa Dr. Kizza Besigye hamwe na mugenzi we Haji Obed Rutare bakwatira mu ihanga rya Kenya umwaka guhwirindwe yagaruka kushitama ukurikiza omushango guri kubajunano aba baretwa akoti umukasheshekera izuba hagati y'akari hakaba nikaterwa abahagizi ba Dr. Kizza Besigye aba bamutegerereze akoti niyemu banyuma y'abantu aba okuhika aha koti y'amahe muri Makindye abahorereza b'abantu aba hoteriho n'abanyamakuru babanza kuremesebwa kutaha omu koti ekyabanza kureta akavuyo banyuma baroya hamwe n'abanyamakuru bekerezebwa kutahamu Ingrid Turinawe hamwe na Winfred Kizza ababeireho bebembezi mu ihangeri bahakanisa emitwarize ya koti y'amahe ibari kugira ngo utere kuhereza abanyayuganda kitinisa banyuma y'abanyamateka ukwigerezwa kutaha omu kotegi babanza baremesebwa okushitama ahi bashemereire kushitama nakyo ekyaretaho akavuyo obutekereza n'obu bwaretaho orwari ekyarigiraho Aaron Kizza omwe aha banyamateka abarukorereza Dr. Kizza Besigye okukwatwa ab'ebyokwerinda bwanyuma agatwarwa omu kadukuru
The court is going to deliberate about the conduct of Counsel Aaron Kizza. Although you are putting it maybe on the security people, you have seen what he has done. Making a noise, the court have tried to stop him. He could not listen.
akavuyo haka karetera kotegi yahemerera kumara obwire na bwanyuma nuko kugumizamu
Counsel Aaron Kizza's
koti y'ekinyamahe niyemwe yagaruka yatsindika Haji Obed Rutare hamwe na Dr. Kizza Besigye muri kaburamuriro okuhikya 2013 okwezi oko
Counsel Aaron Kizza's
Elias Lukwago Road Mayor w'ururembo rwa Kampala kandi umwe ahari baroya abarukorereza Dr. Kizza Besigye yajumirirwa ebikorwa bya kotegi
Counsel Aaron Kizza's misconduct.
Martha Karua ruroya omukugu urwo mu ihanga rya Kenya kandi yebembere mu baroya abarukorereza Dr. Kizza Besigye nawe yajumirire enkora ya koti y'amahe okukwata omwe ahari baroya wamanywa nka Aaron Kizza Buridogu Aaron Kizza yatsindwa omukyome ekya kitarya okumarayo amezi 9 abo kuteganisa court.
And it is not his first time to be warned about his conduct in this court. So the court is going to deliberate about his conduct.
Makuraga gasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano aba Sky TV agenshonga muri Kampala.